In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a business app without any coding using Jotform apps. This easy no-code drag and drop app builder will allow you to create a custom app in just a few minutes. So let's dive in and see how you can transform your business ideas into a functional app without a single line of code. First things first, navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in. You can use your Google or Microsoft account to do this, or simply enter your email address and password if you already have an account. Don't worry if you're new to Jotform, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you're going to look towards the upper part of the page and click on Templates. This is where the magic happens. By selecting templates, you'll access a library that offers a wide range of pre-designed app templates which are perfect for various business needs. This is particularly helpful if you're not quite sure where to start or what your final app needs to look like. Now choose the App Templates option. This narrows down your selection to templates specifically crafted for app building. You'll find a variety of themes and functionalities tailored for different industries and purposes, from e-commerce to event management. Take your time browsing through these options. Once you have a particular application template in mind that aligns with your business goals, go ahead and click on it. You'll see an option to Use Template. Clicking this will import the template into your Jotform app's workspace. Now it's time to make the app uniquely yours. Customize it to fit your specific business requirements. Think about the look and feel you want for your app, as well as the kind of user experience you want to create. Here's where Jotform truly shines. You can personalize every aspect of the template by simply dragging and dropping different elements. Add forms, sign documents, include text, images, links, buttons, widgets, and so much more to ensure the app does exactly what you need it to do. As you piece your app together, keep in mind the many ways you can use it to benefit your business. Whether it's running promotions, making announcements, collecting e-signatures, or other tasks, Jotform apps lets you handle all these activities from one app that is compatible with any device. And there you have it. In a matter of minutes, you've successfully built a functional business app without writing a single line of code. Thanks to Jotform's no-code drag and drop app builder, developing business applications has never been easier. Feel free to explore and experiment with different templates and elements to make your app speak to your brand identity. Happy app building!